Good evening. Video message for Tommy. Tommy, hi. So, thanks again for your patience and thank you for buying the saws. And so the Danarm DDA110. Haven't had a chance to even look at it, and I've been so waylaid. So I know the gentleman I bought the last batch from was a really lovely guy and a real avid collector, and so with over 200 machines, so he said this one was non-working, but it's in such beautiful all-round condition, you know, for its age. And so I checked the spark, no spark, and I've reknit the my mind's a blank today. The little spring clip which goes onto the top of the electrode, the spark plug, and still nothing. I've changed the spark plug to a really beautiful old vintage Champion L10 because they're a great plug, and poured a few more times. Got massive compression. If I leave that off, she's got great compression. So I put a tiny bit of cleaner through her, and the end result was Tommy, I hope that's a nice surprise. So she's got mammoth compression. She's such a gorgeous engine. Just this lovely finish all the way around, and looks, you know, mostly complete. There's one tiny metal tab from the front of the handle missing, which bolts up to the underside of the engine. So that would undoubtedly be benefited from having just a little piece of metal welded onto the handle there, so it's supported at the front right. Other than that, there's no other real visible breaks anywhere. Bottom tang off the felling spike is off, and there she is. Even the little sprung-loaded throttle lock is ready. This is the long-handled version of the DDA110, and well, she's just a gorgeous engine. She's got more compression than two of my other ones by a mile. I hope you love the saw, Tommy. She's just beautiful. And I hope we deal again very soon. Bye for now, sir.